Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jody and today I am going to be doing my spring wreath with 6 of each of these. And I'm starting out with my base, which this is just a greenery wreath that I'd actually added some extra picks to. You can see I got some that you can pull out. It wasn't quite as fluffy as I wanted it, so you can always add extra picks. Like I have some down here too in the back. So let's get started with the tulips. Okay, so I am going to start off with these tulips, and I have 6 bundles of them, and I got these at Michael's. I had just taken the tags off, and they were $4 a piece, and you normally can either get these at 40 to 50% off, and I'm pretty sure that they still have these kind in all different colors. They have some really pretty ones. This is more of a pink, a little bit of salmon, and a darker pink. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick these in wherever I want them. We'll get up on this other step here. I just want to kind of show a couple of them, what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go and get the other tulip colors and the berries. So grab that and we will put a little bit more on this wreath. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I have this off-white berry pick that I got at Joann's, and I just like to open it up a little bit more, and it was longer than this, but I cut the bottom off so I could stick it in the wreath better. So let's just stick it in between these two, and then I have this fuchsia colored tulips that I also got at Michael's. I'm just going to stick it in here. Then I'm going to put the berries around it, move them around. And basically that is what I'm going to do around the whole wreath with everything. And I'll tell you what, it is really cold out here this afternoon. I am home on my lunch break trying to get some stuff done before the carpet comes in on Saturday. So I'm going to take this inside and finish it up, and then we will come back out on the porch and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's how the wreath turned out. It might still need a little bit more tweaking, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And you just kind of play with the berries, just them around. So it might need a little more tweaking, but I'm liking it, and I think this will be perfect on the front door for spring right now, since it's been so cold with all the snow. So I thought I would show you now some of the rooms that I've been clearing out, getting ready for the carpet on Saturday. So come on in, let's go see. Now we are in the entryway, and this is my formal living room. And you can see there's a lot of stuff in here. Some of this is my spring decorating stuff I've already pulled up, and most of this is from my husband's office and my craft room. And I have a few more things I need to bring down, but I just thought I'd show you this. And has anybody else gone through doing the carpeting when you live in it? I don't think I want to ever do this again. Yeah. Here's a little bit of my spring stuff that I had, where I got my tulips from. But yeah, really jammed in here. So let's head on upstairs. Okay, this is my husband's office. It's in one of the bedrooms upstairs. And I'm trying to get a good view of the walls. It's really hard. I shut the blinds and turn the light on. Everything looks really, really yellow, like sunshine yellow. And it's more of what's over here around the closet doors. It's more of that color. It is a golden brown, light golden brown that I used, and I took a dark brown and rag rolled it because he likes the old world style. And yes, we have a treadmill here that he uses. He likes to have it upstairs instead of downstairs with his equipment that he has. And I took everything off these bookcases and out of the drawers. And this will be another video that I'm going to do when I put everything back in. Boy, that looks really, really bright yellow. Like I said, it doesn't really look like this. I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to get this to look good when I do a video. But this is all going to get revamped with the same items that were already in here. So it'll be a little surprise for you when you see it. So what we have to take out of here still is, glare there, sorry. we have to take the filing cabinet out because they won't move that, and they won't move the treadmill. And of course we'll be taking the chair out and all the electronic stuff on the desk. All the little stuff. But I can't wait to get started on this one. Oh, here's a better. This is more what it looks like right here. Alright, so let's move on to the master bedroom. Okay, so now we're in the master bedroom, and I just want to show you that it doesn't have a lot of stuff in it, as I gave away my furniture. So over here, this piece right here, this cabinet, is going to go back into the craft room once we get the new carpet in, and the little armoire from in there is going to go in its place. We keep all of our towels and spa supplies for the hot tub out here on our balcony. And this little bench here, I'm thinking about putting over here either by the window area where I want to put a floor lamp and a chair, or in front of the bed. I haven't decided on that yet. But I'm really excited about getting this done. Unfortunately, I am going to have to wait a while for the furniture. Some pieces are on back order, and they told me they will be available to be shipped out on March 5th. So I accepted the back order, and the minute I did that, new screen pops up and says estimated delivery date April 3rd. So I'm not really too happy about that. Hopefully it comes earlier, I don't know. But we will see. So let's head on over into my craft room. Okay, so we're going to go into my craft room, and it's one of the bedrooms upstairs. It has its own 3/4 bath, and I had to put a few pieces of furniture in there since they won't be working in there. And this dresser here was my parents', and it's really old, and it does have, you can see if I can get over here, big old crack down here at the bottom, and the top has gotten all cracked up too in here. So what I'm going to do with this is it's going to go the white and do the antiquing, so it will go with the rest of the furniture I have in here. And that is the armoire right there that is going to go into the master bedroom, and the other cabinet will come in here. So I want to show you guys. I don't know if you can see it on the video very well. This beadboard is not real beadboard. This is actually a wallpaper that I ordered online from Target, and it is more of a, it's pretty thick, and it's soft, kind of mushy, like foam. So I did paint over it, about 2 coats, to stabilize it a little more, but it does dent very easily, so you wouldn't want to hit anything up it really hard. The room already had the chair rail in here, and I wanted the beadboard look, but without the price of it and the time to take to put it up. This is the only room that I painted the trim in white, because I wanted the beadboard to be white, so I painted the chair rail and the baseboards. But as you can see, the doors here still have the same color. That's what all my wood is. But I wanted this to be a brighter room with the yellow, and it is a pastel yellow, kind of like this wall right here. And yes, that is one ugly thing, isn't it? That's for our cable so we get better reception. I have a solution for that, which that is one of my projects I'm going to be doing, besides doing this and this. So let's head on back downstairs. So that will do it for my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would appreciate it if you would. I'm trying to get a goal of 2,000. I just hit the 1,000 mark today. Woohoo! Finally! It's so exciting. I'm really enjoying doing these videos for you, and I will be doing one next week for a tablescape, and hopefully I can get some video up of getting the carpet done. So, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.